Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Hello, friends. Today's lesson is a simple conversation in the park. Let's begin.
Hi, excuse me, may I sit here?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. Do you come here often?
Not really, only sometimes. What about you?
Almost every day. I like this park. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few minutes away. Do you?
Same here. The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, very fresh. Do you often walk here?
Yes, walking is relaxing. Do you walk every day?
Not every day, only on weekends. Do you jog?
Sometimes. Do you play any sport here?
I used to play badminton. Did you play something in school?
Yes, football and cricket. Do you miss school days?
Yes, very much. Look at the children. They look happy.
Yes, they remind me of my childhood. Do you enjoy watching them?
Yes, it feels joyful. Do you come here alone?
Mostly, yes, but sometimes with friends. What about you?
I come with cousins sometimes.
Do you like reading in the park?
Yes, I love novels. Do you read here too?
Sometimes. I also take photos. Do you?
Of course. Nature is perfect for photos.
Do you want to see the lake later?
Maybe. I love ducks. Do you like them?
Yes, they are funny. Are you free this weekend?
Yes. Why?
Let's plan a picnic here. Do you like picnics?
Great idea. What will you bring?
I'll bring sandwiches and juice. Will you bring fruits?
Yes, I'll bring fruits. Perfect.
Do you listen to music here?
Yes, soft songs. What about you?
Jazz and pop sometimes. What's your favorite song?
A love song. Very relaxing. Do you sing?
Not really, but I like singing with friends. Do you?
Yes, sometimes at family parties.
Nice. Do you travel often?
A little. I visited the mountains last year. Do you travel?
Yes, I love traveling. My dream is to visit London. What about you?
I want to go to Paris. Do you like cities or nature?
Nature always. Parks, rivers, beaches. What about you?
Same here. Nature makes me calm.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
I have a dog. They are my best friends.
Wow. Do you bring your dog here?
Yes, sometimes. He loves running.
That's cute. Do you like ice cream?
Of course, chocolate flavor. What about you?
Mango flavor is my favorite.
Do you want to buy ice cream after walking?
That sounds great.
By the way, do you enjoy watching movies?
Yes, very much. Do you?
Yes, especially comedies. They make me laugh.
I love romantic movies. Do you watch series?
Sometimes. What's your favorite series?
Friends, do you know it?
Of course. It's funny.
Time flies in this park. Do you notice?
Yes, we've been talking for long, but it feels nice.
Yes, peaceful. Do you believe parks are good for health?
Absolutely. Fresh air, exercise, less stress.
Same here. Do you want to meet again Saturday?
Yes, let's meet for a picnic.
Great. Don't forget.
I won't. Shall we go now?
Yes, I need to shop.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye.
Great job. You just learned a full English conversation in the park. Repeat the questions and answers for practice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.